Zambians shocked after an accident claimed at least 53 lives, and parties called to explain about turn regarding Zuma's motion of no confidence. I'm Lebo Changela with this news update. Zambians are in a state of shock after one of their worst ever accidents in which at least 53 people died. A bus and a truck collided outside the capital Lusaka. The bus was bringing about 70 people from the Copperbelt mining region to Lusaka. The truck driver and his assistant were both killed, as well as at least 51 people on the bus. Around 20 injured people have been taken to hospital. The cause of the accident is under investigation, but officials say in their initial comments that both vehicles were speeding. The ANC says opposition parties need to explain the reason for their sudden about turn regarding a motion of no confidence against President Jacob Zuma. Chief Whip Matola Mosera claims opposition parties are no longer interested in resuscitating the motion. Opposition parties earlier pushed for the motion to be dealt with before Parliament adjourned in December last year. Mosera says they have to account to the public.
The public is owed an explanation why a matter which was said to be urgent suddenly has become a non-issue. If at least they came before the programming committee and say that they are waiting for the court judgment, they do not even say that. They simply say they have no intention of proceeding with the matter.
The DA says the motion of no confidence will be retabled after a constitutional court decision. The party says it can only be resuscitated by the person who moved it in the first place. DA Deputy Chief Whip Sandy Kellen.
Technically, because it lapsed, there is no motion to debate. Furthermore, it is the prerogative of the mover of the motion of no confidence to decide whether she wants to reintroduce that debate. And at this stage, the DA is waiting for the ruling from the Constitutional Court and will consider the matter once we reach that decision.
And the Food and Allied Workers Union will approach the CCMA after reports that some farmers in Limpopo and in Mpumalanga are serving workers with retrenchment notices without consulting with unions. Several farmers say they can't afford to pay workers the new minimum wage of 105 Rand a day. FAU Secretary General Katishi Masemola.
We have already written to these employers to say, can we talk and make sure that we bring them in line with the law? But if they refuse to engage, we'll certainly refer these matters to the CCMA and then the legal route take place. But we don't rule out possibility of getting the produce from these farms to be boycotted by consumers in the country.